Do you know how many of these pillows are blankets? Well, I'm going to show you how to make a blanket into pillows without sewing. If you guess 4, then you're right. I have these blankets my daughter takes with her to volleyball games. She likes to sleep on it when we have long drives or take it with us for out-of-town games. So we have to pack it with our carry-on luggage. These pillow blankets are called quillows or planket. Usually you have to sew a pocket on the blanket. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make these pillow blankets using a folding method. No sew, easy to store, easy to travel. The goal is we're going to create a square. So usually these quillow or blanket pillows I will make are roughly 19-inch or 48 centimeters. Lay out your blanket. This is a 4 feet by 6 feet blanket. So estimate a little less than a third of your blanket is the size of your pillow. So first, we're going to fold a little less than a third. Then we're going to fold the long side of your blanket into a trifold. It takes a little practice to fold into thirds. Smooth out any lumps. Now you're going to fold the remaining 2/3 of your blanket. When you're done, fold it over the trifold. Tuck the remaining blanket into the pocket you created earlier. Smooth out and straighten. Here I have a square blanket. It's 5 feet by 5 feet. So I'm going to still fold the 1/3 on the length, and then I'm going to fold the other side into a half and then a quarter. You're going to fold it into a third first. Straighten out as best you can. Smooth out any lumps that you might have. So now what you're going to do is fold it in half. And then make sure the corners are straight. And then you're going to fold the in half again. Tuck it really nicely so that the pillow will come out straight. And then again, you're going to fold it over, and then you're going to tuck it back into the pocket that you created before. Now you're done. Everything is straightened out. So you can buy these leather harness or blankets straps, and it makes it easier to travel. So what I do is I take the quillow that I folded, then I just tighten the buckle as best I can. And the tighter it is, the more secure it will be, so it doesn't fall apart when you put it onto your carry-on. And now you just simply slide it onto your carry-on luggage, and it's easy to go. I'm going to show you how it looks close up from the front and the back as well. Also, once you master this method, you can actually fold many other things, including your bed sheets and your clothing. Well, now you know how to make a blanket into a pillow without sewing. Enjoy!